Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know who viewed your WhatsApp profile on iPhone. First, on WhatsApp, there is no feature that shows who viewed your profile photo, about information or status page. So if you're wondering, can I see who checked my profile? The honest answer is no. WhatsApp is designed to protect your privacy, so it does not track or show profile views on iPhone or Android. Now let's talk about what can we see. You can see who viewed your status update, but only if you post or status or read receipts are turned on. To check this, open WhatsApp, go to update or status, tap your status, swipe up to see who viewed it. That's the only place where WhatsApp shows viewers. Next, a very important warning. Any app or website claiming he who viewed your profile WhatsApp is fake. This app often asks for permission, collect personal data, or try to scam you. WhatsApp does not allow third-party app to access their information. If someone tells you there's a trick or hack, that's also fake. So how can we protect our privacy instead? You can control who see your profile. For that, go to the setting or tap on privacy. Choose who can see your profile photo, bio and status. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.